Welcome to the Event Bookings Premium Features tutorial series. In this video, we will give you a quick overview of contacts and contact lists. We will also introduce two powerful features available under the Organization Premium plan. Let's get started. Contacts allow you to store and manage information about your attendees, customers, or subscribers in one central location. This makes it easier to keep track of people who interact with your events on the event bookings platform. Contact lists help you organize those contacts into groups. For example, you might create lists for VIP guests, past attendees, or specific event audiences. Please note that some advanced features within contacts and contact lists are available only with an Organization Premium plan. Unlike event-level features, these tools operate at the organization level. In this video, we will briefly introduce two of these premium features. The first feature is View Activity for a Contact, and the second feature is Add Custom Fields when creating a contact list. Let's start with the View Activity feature. This feature allows you to track the interactions of a specific contact within your organization. To access it, click on the three-dot icon beside a contact profile. Then select View Activity. Here you will be able to see information such as how many events the contact has attended, the total bookings they have placed, and how many times they have communicated. You will also be able to view the complete activity history of that contact. This helps organizers better understand their audience and track attendee engagement. Please note that View Activity is available only with the Organization Premium plan. The second feature is the ability to add custom fields while creating a new contact list. Custom fields allow you to collect additional information based on your organization's needs. For example, you may want to store details such as company name, membership ID, contact number, or any other information relevant to your contacts. By using custom fields, you can create more detailed contact profiles and organize your audience more effectively. This feature is also available exclusively under the Organization Premium plan. For more information, you can visit our Help Center or check out our YouTube channel at any time. If you need further assistance, please do not hesitate to reach out to our support team. Thank you for selecting event bookings for your event management needs.